My name is Asan. For a long time, silence made me uncomfortable. Whenever I was talking to someone, I felt the need to keep speaking. If there was a pause, I quickly said something. Anything. Even if it did not make sense. Because in my mind, silence felt awkward. I thought, if I stay quiet, people will think I'm not confident. So I filled every moment with words. One day, I met a senior student in my college. He spoke very well. His English was clear. His words were simple. His tone was calm. But something surprised me. He did not speak continuously. He paused. After saying a sentence, he stayed silent for a moment. At first, I found it strange. But then I noticed something. When he paused, people listened more carefully. His words felt more meaningful. After the conversation, I asked him, "Why do you pause while speaking?" He smiled and said, "Silence gives value to your words." That sentence stayed in my mind. The next day, I tried something new. When I spoke, I did not rush. After each sentence, I paused. At first, it felt uncomfortable. My mind said, "Say something quickly," but I stayed calm. Slowly, I noticed something. My sentences became clearer. I thought before speaking. I made fewer mistakes. People listened more carefully. I realized something important. Silence is not weakness. It is part of communication. It gives your mind time to think. It gives your listener time to understand. Now, when I speak English, I do not hurry. I speak slowly. I pause naturally. And I feel more confident. Because I understand something clearly. Good communication is not about speaking continuously. It is about speaking clearly and using silence wisely. Final thought. Do not fear silence in conversations. Sometimes, silence makes your words stronger. Ending line. Keep learning English. Keep speaking calmly. And always remember, silence is not empty. It adds power to your words.